Very good morning, my dear students and parents. Happy Suryodaya. Today is 23rd January 2021, Saturday. We have 3 sets of cultural performances lined up. To start with, we have wonderful prayer by the triplets, namely Hatim Vanak, Nitya Sangavi, as well as Shubham Agrawat. Hey Shardema, excellent vibration has been created on this wonderful Saturday. The next program today is an exhibition of Mandala art by one of our BCA 6th semester students, Saloni Chauhan. So each picture corresponds to one message that is also shown next to that. Enjoy this kind of new attempt. The third performance today is by one of our integrated MCA students, Chandini Gusani. She is provided a classical performance. Please enjoy the show today. Now, as usual, I am ready with a couplet by Athiruvalluva. Not one, today is the 2. In today's couplet, what we are going to see, as a father, what he is supposed to do for a son. And second is, as a son, what he has to do it back to the father. It is explained in 2 couplets very nicely by Thiruvalluva, who lived 10,000 years ago. Let us first see the first couplet. Thandai magatratru nandri avayanaithu mundi iruppachayal. Let us learn the different words involved here. Thandai means father. Mahan, son. Nandri, what kind of help or thankfulness he is going to show towards the son. He is going to explain what it is in the next couplet. And that he is saying, Avai anaithu. Avai means assembly. Every assembly, mundi iruppachayal. See to that his son is part of that. His son is participating in that. Other than that, what could be else a great motivation for a son? So the biggest task every father has to perform for the son is to see that he is part of every assembly full of learned personalities. By involving the son in such a kind of forum, he can get lot of opportunities from the senior people, as well as each an opportunity he can materialize it, he can make use of it to uplift himself. This is what the general meaning of the first couplet. Now let us see in another couplet, he has said the reverse of it. The reverse is what a son has to do it back to the father. I will read that Thirukural right now. Magan Thandai Katru Udavi. So last couplet started with Thandai Magatratru Nandri. Now here he is telling the reverse part of it. Magan Thandai Katrum Udavi. Even Thandai yen notran kol yenum sol. That means Magan is a son, Thandai is a father. What a son has to give back to the father is, people should say, what they should say, even Thandai yen notran kol yenum sol. This kind of son is born to this father for that what kind of puja or anything he performed in the previous janma. That is the good name. Every son has to earn it for the father. These are the couplets which are very much essential for every walk of life. Thank you for the opportunity.
Sharideva, He Sharideva, He Sharideva, He Sharideva, Agyata se Hame Tari Deva, Agyata se Hame Tari Deva, He Sharideva, He Sharideva. स्वर की देवी ये संगीत तुझसे, तू स्वर की देवी ये संगीत तुझसे। हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे। तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ, इशारे दे माँ, इशारे दे माँ, इशारे दे माँ, इशारे दे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। इशारे दे माँ, 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 इशारे दे माँ।
Hello friends, my name is Saloni Chauhan and I am currently pursuing BCA Semester 6 in Marwadi University. And here you will see some of the pictures of my mandala artwork and some of the sketches and paintings too. This all artworks always makes me feel like I can express myself freely, and the main message I want to share with you is always do the things which makes you happy. And don't forget to know yourself better in this journey of life. And if you want to know more about me and my artwork, you can also follow me on Instagram at picturesque_02.29. Thank you.
Hello, I am Chandni Gusani from Integrated MCA. In today's Suryodaya program, I would be performing Kathak. Kathak is a North Indian classical dance form. I have been taking training and performing this form since last 14 years. My today's performance is on the song Garaj Garaj from Bandish Bandits. I hope you all will enjoy the performance. Thank you.
Hi, today being Saturday, we are here to recollect the best performance of the week. To start with, the first one, we had a prayer song. We want to acknowledge the wonderful performance by Hatim Vanak, Teri Ya Zami. He has done it on 16th January 2021. Just have a couple of lines from that.
तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर.
And this performance wins the first of its kind. The second is a technical talk. We had a technical talk by Zigme's, an international student. He narrated on capsule camera, and which appeared on 19/1/2021.
Camera. PIL camera, which is also known as capsule endoscopy, is a miniature video camera along with a light source, a transmitter and a battery has been integrated into a capsule-shaped device.
This grabs the best performance award for the previous week held. And the third cultural performance is the one what you saw today by Chandini Gusani, the classical dance which appeared today. So that grabs the best performance in terms of the cultural dances. Thank you very much. Give us an opportunity to encourage more and more like this, and please participate enthusiastically, or you can also watch Suryodaya regularly. Thank you so much.